Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Coq Sportif Provencale sneakers. Now these sneakers are stylish, sleek, and it embodies French craftsmanship since 1882. So this is what the box looks like. On the other end you'll have a Coq description label with a barcode giving you information on your specific shoe. So this is the Coq Provencale. As you can see, it is white with a gum sole. Guys, if you like this video and you'd like to see more sneaker reviews, please hit that subscribe button. Looks very smart, guys. By looking at it, the shoe is definitely on the high end of sneakers and it does cost a lot. However, it is very durable, depending on also the series of Coq that you purchase. It's a very well-known, reputable brand. So this is the Coq. There are many fakes out there of these shoes, guys, so we're going to go over the original points to aid you when you're making your purchase. So I'm going to show you around the shoe on this specific model, which is Provencale. It is white, looks very smart. You can see the stitching in the front. It sort of goes like a W in the front of the shoe. And it has a rounded embroidery effect around the lace studs. This shoe has 6 lace studs. You can see the iconic athletic rooster, which is the logo of Coq. The shoe is not flimsy at all, very strong. It has a good weight to it, doesn't feel light at all. It feels very strong and durable. On the gum soles, you have a Coq Sportif branded logo there. A very excellent shoe to have, guys. Definitely an iconic collection to shoes. This is the full leather edition with your gum soles. As you can see, the gum soles has a rigid effect to it, preventing you from damaging the shoe if you kick anything. You can see the outline along the race. You have your Coq Sportif label on the tongue of the shoe. You have a loop at the back with your Coq logo at the back. On the inside inner soles, you have a Coq stamp. On the inside of the shoe, you have your size and more information pertaining to your specific shoe. Underneath, you have a rigid effect. You have a Coq logo at the center with the athletic rooster. And that is to protect the shoe and to give it maximum durability and maximum life. So those are the underneath, very strong, very durable. A classic shoe, guys. These shoes are very comfortable. And I would definitely recommend that you go out there and grab your pair of Coq Sportif Provencale.